Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the Upgrade Required pop-up in your Debutify theme. First, you need to check your current plan in the Debutify Theme Manager dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Manage Stores. Find the store where you're seeing the pop-up and click on the Store URL. You'll be redirected to that store's dashboard. Next, go to the bottom left corner and click on your user profile. From the menu, select Billing option. Here, you'll see your current plan: Free, Growth, Professional, Enterprise, or Lifetime. Now, go to your Shopify admin and click on Theme Editor to open the theme Customize. This pop-up usually appears when widgets or sections are enabled in your theme that are not included in your current plan. For example, if you're on the Growth plan and Professional or Enterprise widgets are enabled in your theme, the pop-up will appear. If you're on the Professional plan and Enterprise widgets are enabled in your theme, the pop-up will appear. If you're on the Free plan, if Growth, Professional, or Enterprise widgets are enabled in your theme, the pop-up will appear. To fix this issue, go to Theme Settings in your theme editor. From there, open the section where widgets and features are managed. Carefully review the enabled widgets or sections and identify any that are not supported by your current plan. These are typically features labeled under higher tier plans, such as Professional, Enterprise, or Growth. Once you've found them, simply disable those widgets or sections by toggling them off. This ensures that only features included in your current plan remain active in your theme. After turning off all unsupported features, the Upgrade Required pop-up will automatically disappear, allowing you to continue customizing your store without interruptions. Then, click the Save button on the top right. If you're still facing issues, you can contact support. Go back to your Debutify Theme Manager dashboard. Click on your user profile in the bottom left corner and select Support Tickets. Then click Create New Ticket and describe your issue. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.